Hello, my name is Laura. Welcome to our Samuel Lowry Weaver Shop. Today we're going to be talking about Victorian children's toys. I want to pause for a moment and let you think of your favorite toy. Is it a doll? Did you think of a game? Now, these toys are probably something that was bought at a store. Victorian children didn't quite have that luxury. To get a toy from a store was very rare and it cost a lot of money. So more often, they were likely to make their own toys. So today, we're going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. All you're going to need is some yarn, some scissors, and a button. To begin making your button spinner, you're going to want to choose some yarn. I'm going to use this nice gray color, but you can use any color that you would like. If you have string, that will work as well. You're going to want to unspool it so that you have an arm's length. Once you have your yarn, you're going to want to set that aside. We'll be using it later. Then you get to pick your button. I have a great selection of buttons here. Ideally, you want one like this one that has 4 holes through it. Once you've picked your button, you're going to take your string and you're going to string it through 1 hole. So this might take a minute. Just give it some time. So once you get it through one side, you're going to want to pull it about halfway through and take the other end of the string and thread it through on the diagonal. So once you get it through on the diagonal, you'll pull that string so that it's tight and tie up the 2 ends in a knot. You'll want to cut off any excess string. And line the button up so that it's in the center. And there you have your button spinner. Now that you've made your button spinner, I'm going to show you how to use it. You'll want to thread 2 fingers through on this side and 2 fingers on this side. Now your button should be in the middle of your string and you're going to twist it. This might take some time and some practice, and you want to make sure that you twist it so that it gets really, really tight. Once it's been spun around, you're going to pull it outwards, and the button should move back and forth on the string. Now, this is going to be something that takes some practice on my end, but I challenge you to practice, and once you get good at it, challenge your friends, challenge your family, and show them how to make one. Enjoy!